CBS News has learned the Trump administration may soon discourage Americans from taking cruises due to the number of outbreaks aboard some ships. The administration is also working to meet the surging demand for test kits as fears and concerns of possible symptoms appear to be spreading faster than the virus itself. Weijia Jiang is traveling with the president, who's spending the weekend at his Mar-a-Lago resort in Florida. Weijia, good morning.
Good morning, Michelle, and good morning to everybody. Vice President Mike Pence is also planning to be here in Florida today to meet with cruise line executives to talk about what additional measures companies can take to keep people safe. He is still leading the fight against coronavirus, but there are times when he and President Trump deliver different messages, adding to any confusion.
We've made great progress, but there is much work to be done.
On Friday, Vice President Mike Pence said the high demand for coronavirus tests would be met soon.
We trust in a matter of weeks the coronavirus test will be broadly available to the public and available to any American that is symptomatic and has a concern.
Just hours earlier, President Trump offered a much more immediate timeline.
Anybody right now and yesterday, anybody that needs a test gets a test. And the tests are all perfect. Like the letter was perfect. The transcription was perfect.
President Trump appeared to be referring to his phone call with the Ukrainian president at the center of his impeachment, even as he toured the Centers for Disease Control and tried to tamp down concerns about the growing outbreak.
I said, calm. You have to be calm. It'll go away.
Before leaving Washington for the weekend, Mr. Trump signed an $8.3 billion response funding bill to research the disease and stop it from spreading.
So here we are, $8.3 billion. We're doing very well, but it's an unforeseen problem. What a problem. Came out of nowhere.
Dr. Anthony Fauci offered a solution for those who may be at risk, especially the elderly.
Think twice, even before you get on a plane for a long trip, or you want to travel, or you want to go to a place that's crowded where there may be people.
Speaking of crowds, President Trump said he has no plans to halt campaign rallies.
We have tens of thousands of people standing outside the arena, so...
Isn't it a risk if there's that many people all close together?
It doesn't bother me at all, and it doesn't bother them at all.
Well, despite that confidence, after several packed weeks of rallies, right now there are none scheduled on the campaign's official schedule. Here in Florida today, the president only has one item on his agenda. That's hosting the Brazilian president for dinner at Mar-a-Lago. Jeff?
Weijia, thank you very much.